Hi, this is Dirk from AlgoTrade24 again. As promised earlier, a small update on the results of the non-farm payrolls this week. The number came in very strong. The forecast, as you guys remember, was plus 175,000 new jobs. The actual number is 273,000 after previous 273,000, and the unemployment rate for February even dropping from 3.6 to 3.5%. So this shows actually that at least in February the economy in the United States still was very strong, very going. Seems like not affected yet by the coronavirus. What we see right now in euro dollar, I said earlier, it should go probably down if the number is much stronger than expected. So the initial reaction actually was down, but it seems like bulls and bears are struggling here a little bit at the moment. So maybe the general thinking now could also be that the Federal Reserve Bank still has the capabilities of lowering the interest rates even more, which would be very beneficial, of course, for the stock markets, not so beneficial for the US dollar. So actually, for a number like this coming out so strong, there's not so much happening. You can see we were here in the last 5 minute bar in the top at 113.32, bottom 113.12 roundabout. So it's just around about 20 pips up and down. But it seems a little bit like that the bears, so the dollar bulls actually that is, are getting the upper hand. Now, what I would like to see is you can play this in two things actually. You could try to, if we go up again here at 113.30, to sell euro dollar, or if you're very brave, you can try to speculate that 113 is going to hold and place a buy order here at 113.06, maybe even a little bit lower, because that was a very good support zone as it seems. So we're actually going down there, and what we are going to do now, I am going to buy some euro dollar here. So I'm waiting. I'm going to do a pending order. I'm going to do a buy limit at 113.06 for half a lot. I'm going to place this here. Maybe even put it a little bit higher and see if we get executed. Because I'm expecting that we see a bounce here once we touch the back to the 113.28, 113.30 region again. If we don't do that, I will exit my order below 113. Actually, I can also already put this in, so I'm going to put a stop loss here at 112.98, because I assume if we fall below 113 we're going to continue on the downside more again. Good. So I'm all set up now. I'm going to see if my order gets executed, and if it does, it should get executed actually within the next couple of minutes. So let's see now. We are coming closer to my limit there, and if we get executed, I'm not going to risk a lot because my stop loss is really just underneath here. If because I see the potential then going up here again, like testing the daily heights one more time. But might be also that the initial reaction goes further down. Then okay, then I risk like what is that, like 9 pips, which is a good trade of risk 9 pips and I can win like 20 pips. That's a good win to lose ratio. All right, so let's see how this is going to carry out. We almost were there. Now I'll update you then on Monday again if my trade gets executed, how the trade actually went. Until then, good weekend and safe trading. Now our trade got executed. Let's see if the euro dollar really defends the 113 now. I have my trade now live. I can double click on it, and I'm going to put in a take profit also at 113.27. So seems like we are bouncing off the lows for now. And well, I'm going to update you on Monday again how that trade actually played out. Until then, have a good weekend and bye bye.